Today's video will show you exactly how to add a button to your WooCommerce product page in a simple and clean way. This is a great way to improve user navigation and give your store a more polished, professional look. We'll walk through it together so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading over to Appearance. Select Editor, which takes you into the main design area of your site. This section controls your site's layout, so it's always a good idea to have a backup ready before making design changes. Once the editor loads, move to the Templates section. Here you will find all the layout options for different pages on your site. For this tutorial, open the single product template since this is where the button will be added. Inside the layout, you'll see the blocks that form your product page. Don't worry if it looks a bit busy at first. All you need to do is locate the small plus icon that lets you add a new block. When the block menu appears, choose the button block. It will instantly place a new button inside your product page layout. Now you can customize it. Click on the button text and type whatever label you want, such as Shop Now, Learn More, or any action you prefer. Keep it clear so visitors know exactly what will happen. To make the button functional, click the link option and enter the page you want it to open. This could lead to a product, category, or even an external site, depending on your goal. Once the text and link are set, your button is active and ready. This simple addition can make your product page more engaging and guide customers smoothly through your store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you create a cleaner, more effective product page design.